YouTube settings top creators use that most beginners ignore.
Head straight to your browser. Here I will be using Google Chrome. Type YouTube Studio Dashboard and locate the settings. Here we have about 6 sections: General, Channel, Upload Defaults, Permissions, Community Moderation, and Agreements. In this video, our focus will be on Channel and Upload Defaults. Click on the Channel option and head straight to Advanced Settings. Here we start with the Audience Made for Kids setting. What this setting is: YouTube is legally required by COPPA laws to know whether your content is made specifically for children under 13. You must tell YouTube one of 3 things. Yes, set this channel as made for kids. I mostly upload content that's made for kids. No, set this channel as not made for kids. I almost never upload content that's made for kids. Or, I want to review this setting for every video. What made for kids really means. This does not mean kids might watch your videos. Your content is family-friendly. It only means your videos are intentionally created for children under 13. Examples of made-for-kids content: nursery rhymes, toy unboxing for kids, kids cartoons, preschool learning videos. If you select Yes, Made for Kids, what happens? Comments are turned off, notifications are disabled, stories and community posts are disabled, ads are not personalized, lower engagement and reach. Who should choose this? Only creators who specifically target children under 13. If you select No, Not Made for Kids, recommended for most creators, what happens? Comments stay on, notifications work, better reach and engagement, normal monetization options. Who should choose this? Tech channels, tutorials, AI tools, podcasts, vlogs, and business content. This is the correct option for 90% of channels. Review this setting for every video. Use this only if some videos are for kids, some are not. Otherwise, it slows your workflow. And then, Google Ads account linking. What this does: lets a Google Ads account run ads based on interactions with your videos. Access deeper performance data. Do beginners need this? No. You can skip this unless you run paid ads or you work with advertisers. You can link it later. We move to Automatic Captions Hide Inappropriate Words. What this does: YouTube auto-generates captions. This setting hides words that might be inappropriate if the AI mishears audio. Should you enable it? Yes, especially for professional content, educational videos, and brand-safe channels. It does not affect reach. And the next is Automatic Dubbing, Early Access. What this does: YouTube automatically translates and dubs your video into other languages. Why this matters? It increases global reach and helps your videos reach new audiences. Should beginners enable it? Yes, it's optional and does not harm performance. And then, advertisements disable interest-based ads. What this does: stops personalized ads on your channel. Why this is risky? Revenue drops significantly. Remarketing stops working. Less advertiser demand. Recommendation: do not disable this unless you have a legal or brand reason. Most creators should leave this enabled. Clips. Allow viewers to clip short moments. What this does: allows viewers to clip short moments from your videos and share them elsewhere. Why this is powerful? Free promotion, more exposure, higher chance of virality. Recommendation: keep this on. And for video quality enhancements, what this does: YouTube can improve visual clarity, balance audio levels, enhance resolution slightly. Important, this does not change your original upload file. Recommendation: enable both visual and audio enhancements. The last is third-party training, AI training permission. What this does? Allows third-party companies to train AI models using your videos. Important to understand, this does not affect YouTube's own AI. This is about external companies. Should you allow it? If you value control, disable. If you don't mind broader AI use, optional. Most small creators choose not to allow this. Quick summary: best settings for most creators. Audience: not made for kids. Better yet, not made for kids and every video. Ads personalization: enabled. Clips: enabled. Quality enhancements: enabled. Automatic dubbing: enabled. Third-party AI training: disabled.
Now let's head back to Upload Defaults and start with basic info. Title: what it is, the main heading of your video that viewers see. Purpose: it tells people what your video is about and helps them decide whether to watch it. Tips: keep it clear and concise, ideally under 60 characters. Include keywords relevant to your content for search optimization, SEO. Make it attention-grabbing but accurate. Don't mislead viewers. 2. Description: what it is, a text box where you can explain your video in detail. Purpose: provides more context for viewers and helps YouTube understand your content for search and recommendations. Tips: start with a strong opening sentence. The first 1 to 2 lines appear in search results. Include links, credits, or calls to action, like subscribe or follow on Instagram. Use keywords naturally to improve discoverability. Can be longer. YouTube allows up to 5,000 characters. 3. Visibility: what it is, controls who can see your video. Options: public: anyone can watch your video. Unlisted: only people with the link can watch, won't appear in search or on your channel page. Private: only you and specific people you choose can see it. Scheduled: you can choose a future date and time for it to go public. 4. Tags: what it is, keywords you add to help YouTube understand the content and context of your video. Purpose: improves discoverability in search and suggested videos. Tips: include relevant keywords related to your topic. Use a mix of broad and specific tags. Avoid irrelevant tags. They can hurt your video's performance.
Now to the advanced settings. The first one here is automatic chapters. What it does, automatically breaks your video into sections, chapters, and highlights key moments. Best option, enable allow automatic chapters and key moments. It improves viewer experience, helps with watch time and retention, and can increase discoverability in search. Tip: if accuracy matters, create your own chapters using timestamps in the description. The second one we'll talk about here is category. What it does, helps YouTube understand what type of content your video is. Best option, select the most relevant category. Do not leave it blank. For examples, cars and vehicles. Select this option if your video is related to cars and vehicles. So is comedy, education, and entertainment. Choosing the correct category improves recommendations. Another very important one is comments. What it does, controls whether viewers can comment on your video. Best option, allow all comments, as this encourages engagement and improves video performance. You can always moderate or delete comments later. For moderation, enable hold potentially inappropriate comments, which is the basic. This keeps discussions healthy without disabling comments. The last one here is show how many viewers like this video. What it does, displays the number of likes publicly. Best option, enable it. It acts as social proof and encourages more engagement.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.